Unlock the power of business intelligence, proven successful examples. Business intelligence, BI, is an effective way for businesses to gain insight into their data and use it to make informed decisions. It allows business leaders to analyze trends, monitor performance, and stay ahead of the competition. In this video, we will explore the business intelligence world and find out how different companies have used it successfully. With BI, your business can achieve unprecedented growth and competitive advantage, so let's look at how that's possible. Business intelligence, BI, what is it? Business intelligence, BI, is an umbrella term encompassing the practices, technologies, and strategies used to analyze data from various sources. BI can uncover patterns, trends, and insights that drive better decision-making and strategic goals for businesses. BI has multiple elements, including data mining, data visualization, OLAP cube analysis, predictive analytics, machine learning algorithms, and natural language processing. BI can improve decision-making in many aspects, such as customer segmentation, product pricing, operational efficiency, and market forecasting. BI helps businesses understand their past performance while predicting future outcomes. By leveraging valuable insights from data-driven analysis, business intelligence solutions enable decision-makers to create actionable plans that optimize performance and maximize ROI. Business intelligence tools. Business intelligence BI tools are software that helps organizations analyze their data and make better decisions. BI tools allow users to access, visualize, and interpret large amounts of data from multiple sources. This will enable them to identify trends, correlations, problems, and opportunities in the data, which can be used for strategic decision-making. Some of those tools are data visualization tools. Data visualization tools allow users to explore large datasets visually and uncover insights and relationships between different variables. These tools range from simple bar charts and scatter plots to more complex 3D visualizations. Data visualization tools are used in various industries to help organizations make better informed decisions. Data mining tools. Data mining tools use algorithms to search through large amounts of data to find patterns and relationships that can help businesses better understand their customers and develop new products and services. Data mining tools can be used to analyze a wide range of data, from sales figures and customer surveys to social media and website data. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses statistical models such as machine learning algorithms to predict future trends based on past data points and current information. They draw on data mining, statistics, and machine learning to analyze existing data and predict future outcomes. Predictive analytics are used in many industries to identify customer trends, forecast demand, optimize pricing strategies, anticipate risks, and develop better marketing campaigns. Business intelligence trends. By leveraging data tracking tools, businesses can use customer data to gain deeper insight into the psychology of their customers and identify any areas of opportunity. For example, they can segment customers based on different criteria like age, gender, location, or buying habits. This way, they can target their marketing messages to the right people. Furthermore, this info can help them create personalized content that resonates better with their target demographic. Business intelligence success stories. Examples of successful business intelligence applications include the ability to provide predictive analytics to inform business decisions, improve data accuracy, and reduce costs. Business intelligence can also give companies a competitive informational advantage by providing insight into competitor strategies and data-driven marketing efforts. Airbnb utilizes data analytics for customer segmentation. Airbnb utilizes data analytics for customer segmentation to tailor the experience for their guests and hosts. They collect data from various sources such as listing information, profiles, browsing behavior, reviews, ratings, etc. This data is then used to create custom segments of customers based on their preferences and behaviors. Walmart uses business intelligence to optimize supply chain management. Walmart uses business intelligence to optimize supply chain management. Walmart is well known for its supply chain management, which helps it stay competitive in the retail industry. By leveraging business intelligence, BI, solutions, Walmart has further optimized its supply chain operations. Walmart uses BI solutions to analyze customer purchase data and sales trends. This enables it to identify product demand patterns to adjust inventory quickly and efficiently. Amazon uses business intelligence to personalize the customer experience. Business intelligence, BI, is an essential tool for Amazon to personalize the customer experience. Amazon uses BI to track customer data and behavior, such as online reviews and browsing patterns, to better meet the needs of customers. For example, Amazon can use BI to recommend products based on past purchases or trends among similar customers. Coca-Cola uses BI to manage its supply chain. Coca-Cola uses business intelligence to manage its supply chain in a variety of ways. 1. The company uses predictive analytics to anticipate customer demand and optimize production accordingly. 1. They also use BI to analyze customer purchasing habits and identify sales trends, allowing them to adjust product assortments based on current preferences. 2. Coca-Cola leverages BI to track inventory levels to efficiently manage its supply chain and reduce costs associated with excess stock. 3. The company uses data visualizations such as interactive dashboards for quick decision-making and improved operational efficiency. Using business intelligence, Coca-Cola can stay ahead of the competition and increase profitability. Roche Diagnostics leverages BI to improve patient care. Roche Diagnostics leverages business intelligence to improve patient care. By leveraging BI, Roche Diagnostics can quickly identify and respond to changes in patient health. This can be done by analyzing data from millions of patient records, such as vital signs, laboratory results, images, etc. Using this data, Roche can predict the likelihood of patients developing certain diseases or conditions based on their lifestyle and medical history. Google uses BI to improve its product and services. Google uses business intelligence to improve its products and services. Google leverages sophisticated analytics tools to collect data from various sources, such as web searches, user reviews, and customer feedback. Powerful algorithms then analyze this data to uncover trends and patterns in customer behavior. By leveraging this insight, Google can better understand user needs and preferences to optimize its products and services. Netflix uses it to identify user preferences. Take Netflix, for example. Back in 2006, when streaming media was just starting out, the company used business intelligence to identify user preferences and personalize content recommendations. This allowed it to quickly gain a foothold in the streaming market and eventually become one of the leading providers of digital media. Netflix was able to use data-driven insights to quickly understand user behavior and create tailored recommendations. This allowed the company to better understand what content users wanted and provide them with an experience that aligned with their preferences. Apple improves its product quality. Take Apple, for example. With the help of BI, Apple can improve the quality of its products, find better suppliers, and increase customer loyalty. All of this has led to the company's great growth. Apple has used business intelligence, BI, to improve the quality of its products. The company has put in place a process that allows it to collect customer feedback and analyze it using BI techniques. This helps Apple identify issues with its products, so they can be addressed quickly and efficiently. Microsoft uses BI to predict demand for different products. Microsoft uses it to predict demand for different products, enabling them to optimize production run sizes and reduce costs significantly. For example, they use predictive analytics to forecast demand for new products such as their Xbox gaming console. By understanding consumer demand, Microsoft can adjust production and marketing plans to maximize profits. Microsoft also uses business intelligence to identify potential market opportunities. Conclusion: business intelligence is essential for any company wanting to stay ahead of the competition and succeed. By using BI tools, companies gain invaluable insights into their operations that can lead to improved customer service, better utilization of resources, and reduced costs. Furthermore, with dashboards, businesses can track performance indicators to measure success and focus on their objectives. With the help of actionable reports highlighting current performance, companies can take necessary measures more quickly than ever.